Welcome to Marine Connection. My name is Jess. The boat I'm going to show you today is a 2004 213 Glastron center console. On the back it has a 150 Johnson. You'll see this boat's in excellent condition. We'll take you out in the water, have some fun showing it to you today. Well-equipped fishing boat. In the back here you have your dual seats. These cushions are removable, so if you want to take them off while the boat's in storage, keep them clean, no problem. Under here, 2 batteries with your battery switch. You got your raw water wash down here. Oil tank. On the back in the pictures you'll see it has a swim platform with a boarding ladder. Great option to have on a boat like this if you're out swimming or snorkeling, makes it easy to get into. Really great features. It's built-in live well here. Right now I have it operating. So if you like the live bait or just use it for storage, great placement of also very convenient to get to. Got your dual captain seat. You'll see the upholstery in this boat's in excellent condition as well. VHF radio, AM FM CD player. Up here you got your Garmin Fish Finder 120. Little glove box storage area here. Gauges are in excellent condition as well as the switches. You'll see that it has a beautiful T-top on it also, with a net under here for storing all your life jackets. 4 rod holders along the back. Boat's well equipped. We're going to have some fun showing you on the water today. Another great feature on this boat is it has a center console with a porta potty inside of it. And there's a lot of room in there for storage also. So a great feature to have on this boat. On the front of the boat, you'll see you have a cooler here. That's a seat also. So the boat overall has a ton of seating, huge bow cushion. So if you want to lay out and take some sun, all these cushions are removable. So for storage, or if you're strictly going fishing and take these cushions, leave them home. Underneath the cushion up front here is your insulated fish boxes. On both sides there's one of these. There's one on the other side as well. You can see that a little better in the pictures. You've got your anchor storage up front. Nice high bow rail. Let's fire up this 150 Johnson, go out in the water. Let's go. We've had a great time showing you this Glastron center console. You can see the Johnson 150 pushes this boat great. The overall condition of the boat's in great shape. Please contact, email me, and call me with any questions. Have a nice day, and God bless.